She was afraid of water 2 days ago. Now she's breathing on her own and swimming freestyle. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Woo! Let's go. Yeah, now you're splashing me. I love it. Let's go. Chin above water, breathing. Now, I don't mean above water like don't strain, just relax. Oh God. Just take a deep breath, keep your shoulders underwater, and just breathe normally, breathe naturally. You might feel a little pinch in your neck, and if that's uncomfortable to you, then you can just put your forehead down on the board. But lift it regularly for a breath. Don't hold your breath until you need one. You're not gonna be able to do 2 to 4 laps of kicking without being in a lot of pain. And then someone next to you is gonna be kicking lap after lap after lap after lap, and you're gonna think, my stamina isn't good enough. It's just not the case. It's not stamina, it's your breath. Good. Kickboard stays at the surface. Some people get a little nervous about this because you feel the water right there. Don't worry about that. If you're breathing, you're breathing. Who cares? So as you go back this way, I want you to kick with as much speed and aggression as you can and want to. Yeah. Take off. There you go. There you go. Introduction to speed. Oh, grab the wall.
Sorry.
You're good. Twist.
I can't stand up in these.
Nope. You gotta twist around. Twist around like this. Pull the feet down. Let's practice that without going too far. Right here. Just we'll bed off the feet and then we'll twist. Off the feet, twist. There you go. Push off and twist. I'm gonna let you do it on your own. Yep. Good. Deep breath with the mouth. Come on up. Yep. Good. Good. I can tell you're not getting water up your nose now.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Good. I'm gonna have her just keep her arms still. She doesn't need to take freestyle pulls at this juncture. Just keep her arms still. Pull to roll onto her back. Breathe on her back and then dismount. The second and third time we go through it, she'll do it twice. She'll roll to her back, roll back to her belly, kick a little more, and then roll to her back and dismount. But for the first time, I'm just gonna have her go through it once. Okay, I'll demonstrate for you before you go. Pull to roll, kick, chin up, paddle, dismount. Pull to roll. Make sure the chin stays dry. Good. Paddles and kicks. Get your belly up. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you finish till your belly's up. There you go. Now you can dismount. Good. Pull to roll. Chin up, belly up, paddle, kick. You got it. Dismount. Nailed it. We're back.
I need that in my head.
Yep.
I need a recording. Chin up, belly up, paddle, kick.
Yeah. So now you're gonna go through the roll twice. Okay, so you'll go.
And so I'm grabbing the air.
Correct. So when it's time to roll back, you're gonna take one arm, go across your body and behind your head. Kick a little bit again and then do another roll. Kick, kick, kick. Pull to roll. Chin up, belly up, paddles, kicks. Good. Catch your breath. When you're ready, go across your body behind your head and roll back. Kick, kick, kick. Pull to roll. Chin up, belly up, paddles, kicks. Done. Dismount. Yeah! 2 cycles through. You're swimming on your own. Good job.
Yes.
Good job. Pull to roll. Chin up, belly up, paddles, kicks. Okay, reach and roll. Deep breath. Pull to roll. Chin up, belly up, paddles, kicks. Dismount because we're so close to the wall. Awesome. Not a single hand on her that time. All by herself. You got right back to where you left off yesterday. Good job. Congrats. Release and roll. Breathe, breathe. Deep breath, release and roll. Roll again. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Awesome. Okay, good. Now we're gonna teach her some hand lead kicking drills to help her start breathing more like a pirate. Okay, so a pirate breath, it's a fun term that means when you breathe to the side, sometimes you'll find one goggle is in the water and one goggle is not, hence a pirate. You're like wearing a pirate patch, okay? However, it's not the spot you're looking for. You don't have to have one goggle in the water. I've found 50% or more of my adult clients and beginners, and including me, don't always breathe with one goggle in. Sometimes both goggles come out and it's fine because the more important part is that your head stays connected to your shoulder. See, this shoulder being propped up like this is supporting my head so it doesn't go under. Okay, so I can get a clean breath all day. So I'm gonna have her get used to that feeling by, you're gonna have the fins on, kicking on the board with her hand at the bottom of the board, like this. Fingers on top, thumb on bottom. It's called hand lead kicking because one hand leads the way, the other arm stays by your side, and you're just kicking. Hence, hand lead kicking. And you're gonna practice getting that breath comfortable. Maybe you're gonna rotate more to your back. Maybe you're gonna feel too much on your side, whatever. You're gonna readjust until you feel comfortable. And then we're gonna kick smoothly as you just breathe comfortably, okay? This is the first step in introducing a swimmer to breathing to the side. You put them on a kickboard with one hand, put their head in the right position, and let them just kick in that position, okay? It's that simple. Now you can stretch your body out and begin kicking side to side. You won't be kicking up and down. It'll be a side to side. It's called a fish kick. Exactly. It's like a fish. It's called a fish kick. I'm going to open up the window a little bit more. So this is your window. If you were to have your shoulder more in the water, it's more of a closed off window. When you open up your shoulder more, it's a more open window.
Yeah.
We're always looking at pretty much right in the middle, if not more so open. Okay? Too many people will find you can stand up here. Too many people will find that if they don't open their window enough, especially adults, it hurts. Your neck feels cracked. Oh, oops, sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Open up that shoulder so that your window's nice and open and you feel more like you're laying down as opposed to straining your head up. Good. We're gonna find out which side you like better. You rolled into this body position way more naturally, this side. From side to side. Good. Hand lead kicking. Good. Now, hand lead kicking is part of a greater series of 7 drills. 7 drills that make up the hand lead series. The hand lead series is designed to improve your balance and your body line. Okay? Your balance gets improved when you start sticking your arms out in front and getting comfortable swimming with your arms out in front, breathing with your arms out in front. Most people aren't comfortable that way, so it improves your balance. It improves your body line because as you keep your arms out in front, you're supposed to be stretching them to the max. So as we do this drill again, you're now going to do it with the awareness that you're improving your balance and your body line. Keep the arm out front for balance, push it out front for your body line. So the second part to this drill becomes putting the face down in the water and then taking the breath and then putting the face back down and taking another breath. The face will be in the water and all of a sudden it's time to take a breath. So you're going to try and land it on that spot right away instead of coming up, looking around, figuring out where you are, and then laying down. No, that takes too long. It ruins your balance, ruins your body line. You want to roll right into it. We're not doing this. And losing control. What goes up must come down. So don't lift when you breathe. That's the mistake most beginners make when they breathe to the side is they'll lift. Nothing comes up on the y-axis. Everything stays on the x-axis. Now roll to breathe. Open up the shoulder. There you go. Head down on the arm. Good. And then roll back. Deep breath. Good. Roll again. Good.
I got water in my mouth.
Okay, stand up. When water gets in your mouth, you can spit it out either above or below the water. Because I can get water in my mouth. You're good. I can get water in my mouth and spit it out underwater. What happened was it went in your mouth here.
Yeah.
Okay, go went in your mouth here. You're like, what do I do? Just spit it. Just spit it out. Face starts in the water. Roll to breathe, keeping the head low and the mouth high. Good. Deep breath, face back down. She's doing this all on her own, folks. Roll to breathe. And then you can stop here, especially if something went wrong. You're still at that stage. Little water up the nose. So she's gonna get water up her nose doing this drill. Then I'm gonna give her a tip. When she turns to the side to come out for her breath, release her air and release it through the nose. That way, as she's turning to the side, air is coming out of her nose, making it impossible for water to go in it. Release and roll. Good. She's hugging me.
Oh, am I?
You're good. I just can't move over anymore, so I have to move you. All right, you can stop here. All right, so she's now ready to do freestyle with her arms. So she'll take one arm pull, grab the board, take the other arm pull, grab the board, and then roll to breathe. For now, it's intentional for her to take 2 to 3 breaths each time she rolls to the side so that she has plenty of time to put her head in the right position, get it right. Remember, adults oftentimes get sucked into the mercy of a rhythm and they feel like they have to land it, and then if they don't, they're back in the water and they're thrashing until the next attempt. Don't do that. Control. You need to exercise more control than that. So I purposely built in this step for adults that I don't have this step for kids. When she rolls to the side, she's gonna stop the operation, no more arm pulls, and she's gonna breathe in hand lead kicking for 2 or 3, however many it takes, or 4 if you need 4. More than 1 is the idea. Breaths, and then 2 more strokes, 2 more breaths, 2 plus more breaths. 2 strokes, 2 breaths. I'll do it back towards her so she can watch again. One, 2, roll to breathe. Yay! The beginnings of freestyle. Good job.
Yay.
Good, and we're there. Good! Those are the beginnings of freestyle. She takes 2 arm pulls and then lays right into a perfect breath. Now imagine her being able to do that without the kickboard, lap after lap after lap. That's where she's headed towards, okay? So now we're gonna put her head back down and she has to do 2 more strokes and then another breath. So rather than stopping on the breath, we cycle it and again. Good, deep breath. And stop. Good. 1, 2, watch her breathe to her right now. There it is. That's her best breath. Oh, I love that breath. 2 more strokes. 1, 2, breathe again. It's a gorgeous breath. Yeah. Yep, you're swimming freestyle and you look so graceful doing it somehow already. She was afraid of water 2 days ago. Now she's breathing on her own and swimming freestyle.
Oh, wait.
Woo! Let's go! Little splash over the face.
I got here so fast.
You did get here so fast. One, 2, roll to breathe, chin up, get a good one, head to shoulder, yeah, good. 1, 2, roll to breathe, good job with the chin. See, that time you got there a lot sooner. That time you got to the right position infinitely faster. She's now starting to swim freestyle on her own and breathe on her own halfway across a pool. This is something that she was certain she was going to be my first student I wasn't going to be able to teach. I don't know what it is, but every student who comes here has this doubt in their mind that that they're going to be the first ones I can't figure out. Yeah, nice try. It's water physics. It has nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with the information and how it's delivered and how it's received. All right, here we go. Deep breath, 2 strokes. 2, hold, breathe. Deep breath. I didn't touch her. She did it. 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 I didn't touch her. I didn't touch her. She did it. I didn't touch her. I didn't touch her. She got through that first breath all on her own, and I didn't touch her. That was incredible. I almost did, and then I backed off because you went, and you finally opened up your mouth. I was about to grab you because you were stuck here going, and I was like, oh, she's going to need me. But you opened up your mouth, and I went, oh, I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
I was like, what am I? My face is out of the water. What am I supposed to do? Breathe.
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 Right. Yes. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Woo! Let's go. Yeah, no, you're splashing me. I love it. Let's go. We're swimming all around the pool now like professionals. Just like professionals. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, or consider becoming a member. Thank you to our members who make it possible for us to do this every month. Check out our merch over on the website and follow us on our other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for shorter clips and tips throughout the week. If you want your own lessons with me in person in Austin, Texas for 4 days, 2 hours each day, then email me right there. That said, give a thumbs up emoji in the comments for Courtney and get ready to rock it.